The demand.
Sir, today's
demand is a demand.
Really?
so but on ground people, there was an awareness campaign yesterday in Parwari.
So,
And people were unhappy about it. They raised their concerns about it.
No comments.
So how do you look?
I don't comment on anything. When you are within the framework of the law and you are a government that is elected by the people, you have to be within the guidelines and framework. Lot of people send so many things on WhatsApp asking explanations. I don't have to give explanations because you have to follow the law of the land. And second thing is that these things are ongoing things that have happened in the past. So many things have happened, so many things have been done. And also second thing is that I have nothing to comment because I'm going to make my statement on the floor of the House. Then my platform is the floor of the House. And whatever justification I want to give, I'm going to give on the floor of the House. You see, sometimes when wrong reporting is done, when you are factually incorrect, then it creates more confusion. Also, second thing, we are elected with responsibility in the government to deliver to the people. If people want to invest in the state of Goa, you cannot create a wrong sentiment and every way people will leave the investment in the state and go away. I mean, I as a minister in the government have a responsibility not only to be transparent, but also to see that I live up to the expectation of people. But if there's one section of society that does not want A to be done, B to be done, C to be done, I have my own view as a member of the government. And second thing, is that if any wrongdoing is there, there is a court of justice. Everybody is free to appoint. And one more thing I want to make, which I will clarify on the floor of the House, I can't speak now because I have to speak on the demands. One thing you have to remember, in the past, right from Nylon 66 onwards to what has happened in the state of Goa, people know. Today mining is shut, people know. What was the issue, what happened, why it happened, people have gone hungry, people have gone virtually bankrupt. I mean, you have to understand the overall situation of the state. It's not me, one individual. But you know what hurts more is when wrong reporting happens. Actually, you must go to the fact and go to the back end of exactly what has happened in the state, how things have happened, how things are being corrected. Nobody goes to look at what has been correctively done to benefit the people of the state. Ultimately, it is not only the person who has the money who can afford to build huge projects or villas and all has to be helped, but the common man also should feel like he should be helped. As a reporter, he should be felt that he should be accessible to government amenities and also make whatever better quality of lifestyle that he wants. People and villages in Goa are not like before. People want a better quality of life. Somebody wants to put 2 rooms. Somebody wants somewhere there's a small issue pertaining to something. You have to help to resolve those issues. आप गोवा से नहीं लगते मुझे, इसलिए मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि
I'm very much ago.
I have not seen you here.
I have relocated over a couple of months ago. I'm just making clear.
No. I have not seen you because I pass by every day.
Right.
So what I am trying to say is that when I don't see somebody, means I don't know from which newspaper, my job is to see that I go as per the guidelines. And those guidelines are being strictly followed. Now if somebody says that this is done, that is done, I will come. I am in the floor of the house में जब explain करूँगा, आप factually जो चाहिए वो आप लिख सकते हो. मीडिया का right है, जो लिखना है आप लिख सकते हो. आपका अधिकार है जो आपको, मेरा कुछ नहीं है. मैं फैक्चुअली फ्लोर ऑफ द हाउस पे कई चीज रखने वाला हूँ आज. वो
आज मेन 2 बिला येवपाची आहा तेजेर कितें
नाही, नो कमेंट सगळे हावसात.
पण तुमकां कोण टार्गेट करता अशें दिसता तुमकां?
सगळे बऱ्या पडान टार्गेट म्हणजे प्रत्येकाक अधिकार उलोवपाक उलोवन दी. प्रत्येक मनीस आपलो व्यू पॉयंट दवरूं शकता. हांव सरकाराचो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह म्हणून म्हाजो व्यू पॉयंट हांव दवरपाक म्हाका अधिकार आहा. आनी कितें आहा की जर कितें आसा आनी लोकांनी जर कितें इन्वेस्टमेंट जर केला आनी जे कितें आहा लोक आयज इन्वेस्टमेंट डेस्टिनेशन म्हणून गोवा आमी पळयता, तर रोज उठून सकाळी किटकिट सगळे कडेन जर जालें तर कशें म्हणून लोकांचो विकास जातलो, कोण येतलो गोंया राज्यात. प्रत्येक राज्याचो विकासाची धुरा वेगळे तरेन फुडें वचूंक जाय आनी म्हणून आमी काम करता. पूण म्हाजो स्टेटमेंट हांव प्रेसार दिवं शकना जेन्ना हांव डिमांडाचेर उलोवपाचो आहा, जेन्ना बील येतले तेजेर उलोवपाचो आहा. म्हाजे तकलीन कितें आहा तें आतां उलोवन फायदो काय ना.
सेंट्रान परत एकदा सेन्सिटीव झोन डिक्लेअर केला वेस्टर्न घाटान कांय भागांचेर, तेचेर तुमचें कितें काम आसा?
ना, पूण केलें तें पळोवंक जाय तें कशें कितें आहा तें. बेश्टें तुमकां आयज हांवें पेपर वाचला. ऑल्सो सेकंड थिंग इज गोवा इज अ व्हेरी स्मॉल स्टेट. आमचें कवरेज ऑल्सो इज गोईंग ऑन इन्क्रिजींग एवरी इयर. आनी इतलें कवरेज आसतना आमकां तेजो इम्पॅक्ट कितें जातलो तें समजून घेवनूच तुमकां हांव उत्तर दिवं शकता. आनी हांव काय कोणाचेर कोण कितें म्हणटा, काय कोण खंय कितें जालें, काय कोण व्हिडिओ करता, आनी जे व्हिडिओ मातशे पळयात ते केन्नाचे गोश्टी घालता, जे उबे जाल्ले गोश्टी बी व्हिडिओन येता. आनी म्हणूनच सांगता तुमकां की फॅक्च्युअली मातशें व्हेरिफिकेशन मातशें मिडियान करपाची गरज आसा. फॅक्च्युअली इफ यू करेक्ट गेट युअर स्टफ, इट्स गुड इफ यू फॅक्च्युअली गेट इट. बट आय एम ऑल्सो टेलिंग यू, इफ एनी करेक्शन or anything has to be done somewhere, I'm always been open to do things. I've never been one of those ministers who doesn't want to listen to what is the public sentiment and public voice. I've always been with the people. Forest department actually under me has actually done extremely well, and we are doing stuff. Sometimes some incidents happen that you have to take strict action. We take. And also, my one more request to the media is please verify. Verify everything what you want.